Good medical morning. This is Watson. I was doing some editing for the channel and was intrigued when I came across a product called Thinergy. Now I'm really into vitamins and supplements for sports, so I picked up a 30-day supply for myself and I'm going to review it today. So it's called Thinergy because it helps you lose weight by boosting your metabolism and giving you more energy. Makes sense? I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the main ingredients, and then I'll tell you about my experience with Thinergy over this past week. And I intentionally avoided other people's reviews because I wanted to look at it with an open mind. Here we go, number 1, green tea extract. Everybody calls green tea the healthiest beverage on the planet. I'm sure you've seen the commercials. And this gives you all the nutrients and antioxidants of green tea without having to drink a gallon of it a day. So you've got fat loss, increased brain function, lower risk of cancer, and a boost to your energy levels. Good so far? Number 2, raspberry ketones. This one's been popular lately and is used to help break down fat easier. It also increases levels of a hormone that helps regulate metabolism. Extracting ketones is an expensive process. It actually takes 90 pounds of raspberries to create a single serving. Now, I like raspberries, but I'm not eating 90 pounds of them when I can just take Thinergy. Number 3, kola nut. This extract helps to promote digestion. It may also increase circulation and get your heart pumping more efficiently. Its health benefits include promoting weight loss, disease immunity, preventing prostate cancer, boosting metabolism, alleviating gastric troubles, helping with bone illnesses, and treating respiratory disease. Number 4, glucomannan. According to Medical News Today, the water-soluble fiber called glucomannan helps people who are overweight to reduce their body weight. He also said it helps to keep cholesterol in check, and it helps prevent constipation. If this supplement keeps my cholesterol down and prevents constipation, I'd say that's a win-win. Nice. And number 5, tyrosine. Known as a modern marvel of the supplement world, tyrosine is an amino acid that's often taken to promote fat loss and exercise performance, since it can turn into dopamine and adrenaline. It works quite well for preventing the effects of major acute stress, but not so much for chronic stress or fat burning. You know that feeling of energy you get when your adrenaline's pumping? Tyrosine, baby, and Thinergy has it. So does it work? Hell yeah, it does. I'm already in pretty decent shape, but I've been taking this in the morning instead of coffee, and it really gets me going and focused. Lasts longer than coffee too. I've taken it as late as 3 p.m. as a pre-workout and had no trouble sleeping that night. It's stimulating, but not in a jittery or heart-racing kind of way. I definitely feel less hungry during the day too. Although I could eat if I really wanted to. There's no nausea or anything like that. I just didn't notice being hungry until after a workout, which I would say is a good thing. So I'll make sure to put an Amazon link below. Pick up a bottle for yourself and try it, or pick up a 3-pack and kick your life into high gear. Boom. Thanks for watching.